Hey, Automotive, back at you again. Got the 62 Impala wiring harness complete. The engine wires. Got the halo lights in. We left those out, the little turning signals, because he never did get the right one. So we just wired those up so he can put them in and know exactly how the wires go. We got the inside wired up. Right there, these are the lights for the courtesy. Goes in this wire connects to this button. So when you open your door, it actually grounds like this. And when it's grounded, your lights come on in the back. Just like that. And you got them on both sides. You got the ignition in, the digital dash, Dakota digital. Starts right up. And also we got the blinkers working. Wiring harness complete. IE Automotive. Over and out. Tail lights. Blinker lights. Over and out. Once again. Finish.